welcome back. We are still in the Caldwell community. If you caught my last video, this is a D.R. Horton community, which means all the homes built in this community were built by D.R. Horton. Now, this particular subdivision is located in Fort Bend County and not Brazoria County. Now, why does that matter? Brazoria County requires their residents to obtain additional insurance for their homes, such as wind and hail insurance. As you can see, it's very windy out here today, but you don't have to worry about buying that extra insurance if you happen to live in Fort Bend County, which this community is located. Now, this home behind me is the Perry plan. It is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It is a 2-car garage and is a little over 2,500 square feet. The current starting price for this home is a little over $360,000. So we are going to take a tour of this beautiful home behind me. Either way, my name is Linda Blue. In case you do not know, I am your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And make sure you do hit that subscribe, like, and that bell to be notified of weekly videos. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a tour of this beautiful home before we get blown away. We are back. Thank you so much for touring this home with me that is located in the Caldwell community in Rocheron, Texas. Now remember, the builder is D.R. Horton, but they are also the developer in this entire community. So if you have any questions regarding this community or any other communities, please leave them in the comment section below. Also remember, if you have not done so already, make sure you subscribe, hit that like and that bell to be notified of new tours. You all have a wonderful day.